Good morning, students. Today, I will teach about the seasons of India. There are four distinct seasons in India. First one, winter or cold weather season, January, February. Second one, free monsoon or summer or hot weather season, March to May. Third one, southwest monsoon or rainy season, June to September. Last one, northeast monsoon season, October to December. Okay? There are four distinct seasons in India. Okay? Then the first, winter or cold weather season. During this period, the vertical rays of the sun falls over Tropic of Capricorn, which is far away from India. Hence, India receives the slanting sun's rays which result in low temperature. Then, the jet stream plays a dominant role in bringing these disturbances to India. These disturbances causes rainfall in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh and a snowfall in the hills of Jammu and Kashmir. This rainfall is very useful for the cultivation of winter wheat. First one over. Second one, free monsoon or summer or hot weather season. During this season, the vertical rays of the sun falls over the peninsular India. Hence, there is a steady increase in temperature from south to north. It is practically hot and dry in the entire country in the initial part of the season. Then, because of the atmospheric pressure conditions, the winds flow from southwest to northeast direction in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. They bring free monsoon showers to the west coast during the month of May. There are few thunder showers called mango showers. Okay? Then, third one, southwest monsoon or rainy season. The southwest monsoon is the most significant features of the Indian climate. The onset of the southwest monsoon takes place normally over the southern tip of the country by the first week of June. Then, prior to the onset of the southwest monsoon, the temperature in North India reaches up to 46 degrees Celsius. The sudden approach of the monsoon wind over South India with lightning and thunder is termed as the burst of monsoon. Okay? Then, Aravalli mountain is located parallel to the wind direction. Rajasthan and western part do not get much rainfall from this branch. The wind from Bay of Bengal branch moves towards northeast India and Myanmar. Okay? Third one over. And fourth one, northeast monsoon season. The southwest monsoon begins to rid it from North India by the end of September due to the southward shifting pressure belts. Okay. First, the direction of southwest monsoon in India. Next, the direction of northeast monsoon in India. Okay. Next, the season is associated with the establishment of the northeasterly wind system over the Indian subcontinent. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South Interior Karnataka receives good amount of rainfall, accounted for 35% of their annual total. Okay. Last one, distribution of rainfall. The western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh are the heavy rainfall areas which get more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay? Thank you, students. One more thank you.